Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. My name is Marcos, and today we have a cool new phone from Blu smartphones. So they released a new F91 5G. It's a new 5G device. As you can see, they actually send it in this cool white box with some designs on it. Nothing on the side, nothing on the left, just their bold and their IMEI. Inside the box, we do get the Blu device. Built for speed, 128 gigs memory, 8 gigs of RAM. The phone's nicely protected. We do get the IMEI here. In the box, we do get some headphones. So Blu is still doing the headphones, which is pretty cool. Standard headphones. Let's see. Headphones. And then we get a tool to bring out your SIM card. We get a regular USB to Type-C cable. And we also get charging brick. There we go. Looks like it's a 9 bolt. 9 bolt. Yeah, so it should be fast charging. We also get some stickers from Blu, be bold. And we also get a nice case and a glass protector. Wow, they went all out. So they actually gave us a nice case. Nice carbon fiber Blu branded case, and they also included a tempered glass right here in the box. Very nice to see all these goodies from Blu. All right, guys, here's the new Blu F91. Beautiful color here in the back. We do have 3 cameras, or 4 cameras actually. We have a 48 megapixel camera here in the top, and then we have a 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and we also have a 2 megapixel depth camera. So they went all out with the cameras, 4 cameras. Design reminds me of the N200 or N20 5G. Very, very sleek colors. Check them out. So this video is just a first look. I'll do another video with more features. Beautiful display, 6.8 inches. We have the built-in front-facing camera here in the front, which is a 16 megapixel camera. Check it out. Phone's turning on for the first time. And then here on the left side, we do have the SIM card slot opener. So if you're trying to, insert your SIM card, that's how you would insert it. And then you would just poke this out right here. Let me see if I can do this on camera. Nice intro from Blu. And we also we can expand our SIM card, our SD memory right then and there. So SIM card slot with SD memory slot. Android 11 built in from the start. And then so here on the left side, SIM card slot. We also have the volume rocker right here. We do have this nice shiny blue on it. And then headphone jack, Type-C port, microphone, and speakers. On the right side, we do have the power on and off with a fingerprint sensor built in. And on the top, all we get is the microphone for the speakerphone. So let's make it to the home page and let's check out the UI. So this phone is a big deal. It's Blu's first 5G device. The color is called the sky blue color, which is really nice. I like the contrast of it, but it does pick up fingerprints, as you can see. So first 5G device for Blu. It is running Android 11, and then internally we do get 128 gigs of memory. That's just me. I can't get to the button, so it's not that the screen's not going, but it's an Android 11 device. Out of the box, I just turned it on. It uses 9% for the software, which is really good. It's not too heavy. As you can see, there's not much going on. There's not too many apps. There's some preloaded ones, but it's still the software by itself, it's not too heavy. It does offer OK Google by pressing the home button. Your multitask page is this one right here. You can close your apps, and then your back button right here at the bottom. It does have a bezel here at the bottom, but it looks good. It doesn't look bad. As you can see, it looks good. It's comfortable in the hand. 6.8-inch display. Processor internally, we do get a MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor, which is an octa-core processor, 2 times 2.4 gigahertz Cortex processor. So it shouldn't be a laggy phone. It should be a smooth phone. And then internally, we do get, here in the box, it says we do get a 5,000 milliamp battery, and it does offer 18 watt fast charging. So the phone does have NFC. So like if you want to pay with Google Google wirelessly with your credit card. It does offer NFC. I believe it does not offer wireless charging. Oh, it does actually offer wireless charging, 10-watt wireless charging, so you can lay it on something and charge it wirelessly. Wow, they actually went out. They brought out all the features on this device. I want to check out the camera, but first let's see what kind of settings we get. This video is going to be a first look. So we do have screen record, so if you want to record your screen and you want to record your voice and your touch stuff, so this will record your screen similar to what iPhone does. And then if you want to stop it, you would just hit here to stop it, which is very easy to do. And then other features that we get here, we get the nearby share. We do get that's all we get. I don't see a button for casting, but we do see the NFC. Do not disturb. Super screenshot. What is this? Oh, okay. Screen record long. Oh, so you can. It has some settings I've never seen. So let's see. We'll mess around with that later. For camera, we do have the main camera being a 48 megapixel camera. Let's hit the features. We do have night mode, pro mode, 108 megapixel, GIF mode, so you can create GIFs, beauty mode, panorama. I probably need the beauty mode, slow motion, time lapse, intelligent scanning, and macro. So we have a lot of features built in this camera. Portrait button right then and there, video and photo. And then let's see. So it looks like the zoom's pretty good. So it zooms in and out. It has up to 4 times zoom. 4 times zoom on a regular picture. And then not bad at all. For video, what can it do for video? It can actually record up to 1080p, 30 frames per second, which is not bad. And you can zoom twice on it. Let's see if we can zoom. You can actually zoom up to 4, the same as the picture. So not a bad camera. Very cool. Looks like the camera lens is getting decent light, so it does not have like this cheap blur look. So that's good. And then I'll test it out more. So this is first look video, and just wanted to unbox it real quick. And then let's check out for video. Let's see what we can play YouTube on. So for video, let's go to higher. So let's see if we can go to quality. So video only lets me play it back in 720. So currently at the moment gives me 720. And that's what it looks like. 4K video on YouTube. And let me do the volume. Speakers only down here. I mean, it still looks good. This guy's flying. Very detailed. Look at the colors. Colors are good even though I'm tilting it, so. Except this music's gonna put me to sleep. But very detailed pictures. Not bad at all. So there we have it, guys. Blu's first 5G phone. Beautiful phone with a nice sky blue color, 4 cameras, 5,000 milliamp battery. Front-facing camera is a 16 megapixel camera. This phone is it's a good starter 5G phone compared to other ones in the market. So right now I would compare it to like price-wise is under $300. Amazon has it for $250 right now. I looked it up in other places. It's about $220. I actually picked it up for $220. So for under $250, it's competing, or under $300, it's competing with the Galaxy A13, maybe the Moto G Stylus 5G, the 2019 version, because the camera is still 48 megapixel camera on this one, and then this one I believe it's also a 48 megapixel camera. I forgot, I haven't looked at the specs, but the design's pretty similar. The size is almost about the same. Just the Moto Moto 5G status is a little bigger, but you get 4 cameras on Moto. You get 3 cameras on the A13 5G, and you also get flash. And I think design, I think Moto and Blue gave us a nicer, cooler design. It's still plastic phone. It's still a plastic phone, so it's not bad, but they give you more for the price. So $220, let's say the price is $220, you're getting a case, you're getting a glass, you're getting some headphones. Samsung, full price, they're charging you about $280 for this. They're only giving you the cable. They're not giving you anything else. And then Motorola is actually giving you the charger and the charging brick. So for $220, this is a steal for a 5G phone. And it's unlocked. These are native. They're unlocked, so you can take them to any carrier. Boost Mobile now uses AT&T and T-Mobile's network. Cricket uses AT&T. And then AT&T or T-Mobile, you can activate this, or even Metro by T-Mobile. So you should be able to get 5Gs. Since it's a U.S. brand, it should be a nice phone to pick up. So first look, just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Hopefully this video helps you out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.